guys, so my name is Brian. So this is part 3, and now we're trying the strawberry jam. Here, this is a little select. This girl. So let's try it. I'm so excited. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, go. Cheers. In fairness, ha. I'll give this like my last bite. So the jam with bread, I'll give it like 8, and the jam, I'll give it like a 5. Kasi after taste na dili na ko type. So yun lang. By the way, kung gusto nyo kasali sa mga fake order ko, comment lang your name at comment lang din ng ilang scoop. So comment na kayo. Dito pala. At kung gusto mo ma-fake order ko is please subscribe. And then, click the like button and pwede na ka mag-comment.